gives me commissions almost on a daily basis, every single day, almost. Okay, so as you can see, yesterday I got a bunch of commissions coming in yesterday, and as you can see, almost on a daily basis, as we go down here, you got a nice commission there. I got a bunch of commissions coming in within 1 day, and almost every single day, you can see I can get commissions coming in, and some of them are quite decent commissions. I can go down and show you all this. It'll take ages, but I get a lot of commissions coming in almost on a daily basis with this, as you can see. So I get those email alerts. Now let's have a look at the Warrior Plus platform. So Warrior Plus has been around for decades. For the early 2000s. I mean, it's been around. It's a similar platform to ClickBank or JVZoo and all the rest of them, Commission Junction and so on. So this platform they have vendors on this platform that sell their products, and you have the eligibility to promote their products and get commissions. They're digital products. Okay, so you can expect to get decent commissions by promoting a relatively affordable product. Okay, I tend to focus mostly on traffic and advertising related type products, because I use those products to build my primary businesses such as LiveGood. But let's have a look at my wallet. Okay, so as you can see, I've currently got over $1,000. Okay, $1,376 that I could just literally withdraw right now. All I have to do is click this button and stick in what I want to put in there, such as $1,376 if I want to, and then just click the button there, and it'll go straight to my bank. But I'm not going to, because I want to wait just a little bit for the pending commissions to come in. I mean, I'm always getting new commissions coming in, but I want to top that up, because I'll go through the other stuff. But basically, guys, I'm getting a lot of commissions, pretty much all the time. So if I look at the withdrawals, and I go to okay, for example, this year, let's look at this year. So as you can see, that was failed because I set up the wrong. I didn't want to use Payoneer. I wanted to use my bank account. So basically, it's really simple. I was able to set up my bank account. My last withdrawal was this month. Okay, on the when was it? On the 7th of May. Okay, this month. So I'm not really ready to withdraw just yet. I also had so my withdrawal before that was on the month before that. Okay, and I had 2 withdrawals on that month. So I had a good month there. Well over $2,000 I withdrew in April, and in March, well over $2,000 in March. So I've been pretty focused on my other primary businesses, but guys, you could easily build this up to a couple of $1,000s a month by putting in relatively little work in, or little effort in, and have this going. But guys, as I say, I mostly focus on the advertising type and traffic related type products. That's what I want to promote, because I use those products myself.
So that's how you scale up your business. I'm just teaching you how to scale up your business. So just because I'm getting these kind of results with LiveGood, that's simply because I've been able to scale it up over the months, over the years. Now, obviously, I joined LiveGood 3 months ago, and I didn't start doing this 3 months ago. I was doing it long before that. But I'm scaling up my mailing list. I'm scaling up my own brand. I'm scaling up who I am. Okay. And I came into LiveGood with an existing email list that I was able to work with, so that I was able to get more people on board. But I continuously build my list, because I know that if I just stop building my list, eventually, just like a lot of you out there who've told me, you've got no more warm leads to work with. You've exhausted your leads list. You've got nobody to work with. We know that that's going to happen. So don't let that happen. So what you've got to do is you've got to continuously build a leads list, continuously get eyeballs onto your landing pages. That doesn't necessarily mean you have to get your eyeballs onto. You're probably never going to see them again. You're probably never going to hear from them again. And that's a big shame. So all I'm saying is keep in touch with people, give them free value, give them tools to work with. That's what you need to be doing. All right, guys. Hope that makes sense. Looking forward to working with you guys, and see you on the next training. Okay, bye for now.
You know, the Easy Cash system, the click engine, the wholesale premium traffic. The wholesale premium traffic is my favorite. Okay, wholesale premium traffic is my favorite. This is the one that I use a lot. Okay, as a product, and also with regards to commissions as well. I get a lot of commissions through that. My team also agree with me that this wholesale premium traffic is a great platform. I get a lot of people who repeat orders. Okay, people come back and order this through my link, and I really appreciate them. So, you know, that just proves that, you know, people are not going to repeat, you know, purchase this traffic if it wasn't very good. And so this traffic has been very, very good for me. So combining that with my other tools such as Leads Leap. Okay, this is a platform that I've earned over $10,000 with. As you can see, my commissions to date over $10,000 with this platform, and I'm earning pretty much on a daily basis. And I've withdrawn, you know, because when we get the commissions, you have to wait 2 months because they're impending. You know, just in case there are people who